Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add Mr. before the name in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first, open your Excel document. Firstly, then show the this result score is the this name is the before the Mr. the name. Firstly, select your wall name in the select and keyboard press from the control plus enter. Now click for the custom option. Now click for the type from general the remove. Now keyboard press from the double quotation Mr. and again double quotation. Now keyboard press from the direct. Now click for the OK option. That's okay. Then show the add the Mr. in the before the name. The Mr. Mahmoud, Mr. Arab, Mr. Mohin, Mr. Shamim, Mr. Kabir. That's okay. Then Excel the add the Mr. before the name it is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.